So if you're shopping for built-in refrigerator columns and you're kind of not really feeling stainless steel and you don't think you're going to do the wood panels because you think they're going to go out of style again in a couple of years, you want something eclectic and different, look no further than the JennAir Cuts collection. Here what we have on our 30-inch fridge and freezer column on the floor here, we have the caviar finish. So this is like kind of like a bubbled patinaed leather. All of them are going to be made out of leather, number one. But number two, you can get it in any width of any column in the JennAir line. So these leather cuts come in 4 different finishes. We have cognac, carbon, croc, and caviar, as we saw here on the floor. All of these are available in every width for every JennAir column. They are special order and they are limited production. There's only so many of every finish and every width that are going to be available and sold in the first place. So if you're even remotely interested in it, the leather cuts by JennAir, stop into Dawn's Appliances, whatever location is the closest to you, talk to your salesperson about getting a quote on these leather cuts for your columns because you want to get them while you still can.